Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is April 21st, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. I'll be giving some of the major levels I got on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she has. For those who enjoy some of these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who are and watch these videos and like them, thank you guys very much. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. You guys can. We'll get back to you guys. We love to answer your guys' questions. With that, guys, let's go ahead and do the morning market analysis. For S&P 500, I do again still have that support coming in, more of a major one for me, 41.1250. Underneath that, I got 41.0250, and then below that, 91 and 85. As levels of resistance, 41.33. There is a slight one actually that I have a little bit below that, which is going to be right here, right around these 20, 22, 23s that held up as some nice resistance. Above that, 41.46, 41.62 to 64, and then 78, 75 as resistance above. So we'll see. I'm looking for the market to see if it can come down to the 41.1250s as support first, and then look to bounce off that level. So, but again, if I get below that, my next level is 41.02. But with that, guys, that's my major levels. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy to give you guys some of the minor levels she has on her chart, and then we'll go over gold as well.
Okay, good. Excuse me. Good morning, Dave, and traders in and out of our room. Since the 16th of April, the bears have been in charge. We have had about a 72-point drop. That's pretty significant. Now we're ranging. We're ranging between 4130 and 4110. It's a range because both those levels have been tapped and have not broken out of those areas. So that just means the market's comfy cozy with the price action there. What you do is you short the top and you long the bottom. There is a micro support within that range that I played off this morning, and that is around the 1450. No, it's not. Yes, sorry. It's the 1450. It's right above a major support that Dave mentioned, the 4112 area. But the 1450 has been tapped enough times where I felt it was going to be a nice play. Also, from the April 14th, there was a double bottom there. So I felt comfortable getting in. I feel also at some point that the market might want to break out of the 30 and go retest the 4150 area. Why do I say that? Because it was a support that broke. Obviously, it traded below that, but it hasn't gone up to really challenge it. At some point, I think the market may want to head up there. But if it doesn't, it's going to go lower to where Dave's supports are mentioned, and all those lines and areas are marked, locked, and loaded for us to make some money. But so far, it's relatively flat, but we'll find a way to make some money today. Dave, what's going on with gold?
Awesome, good job. All right, let's take a look at gold here, guys. So we may get some support coming in here right off a prior level of resistance, which is about the 1783.8. So we'll see if that's our first area of support. Kind of liking it, but I got to see the support first. Again, we haven't gotten it just yet. If we do, though, this is going to be a nice bottom out support for us to continue to move to try to retest these 88s and then push into these 1790s. So we'll see if that's our first area of support. If not, we're going to look for that to come a little bit deeper here, 1780.4. If we don't stall there, then you can see we'll have some other levels below that. Actually, like this area right here to mark as some support as well. Right here at 77 and then 74.6. So we'll see. Again, gotta let that structure itself out at that level. Again, first area of interest, 83.8. Underneath that, we're gonna have these 66.3s, and then below that again, 61, 58.8. So we had some nice structured movement during the London session, even during the Asian session, and want to see if we actually get some more right off this level for a continuation. Right now, though, we did top out at about 1788.4. So with this kind of a bigger double top move, we may end up getting a deeper pull down if we can't hold these 83.8. So we'll have to just keep an eye out. But again, my first area in this bullish move is 83.8 as support. So we'll look out for that. Other than that, guys, again, 1790.2 is going to be my next level of resistance after we pass it. Let's go ahead and get started, team. Let's jump into it.